Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Welcome to another Draw Along Face Guide, and today I'm going to do a character called Addy. You can go to shoorayner.com courses and download this sheet so you can follow along with me. And I'm going to start by drawing in the ears, so I'm just going to fill those in. And the idea of this whole kind of project is to show with the same basic face you can draw so many different characters that you might want to have in illustrations, books, all sorts of things like that. And I'm going to draw some eyes. So these are very simple eyes, just kind of dots really. And then the nose, I'm going to come around like a bracket and then up a little bit, across, and then back around like with the bracket there. And we're going to want to have a moustache underneath here. Addy has this moustache which is going to come around sort of in a Zapata kind of style like that, but maybe a bit thinner down to there. And then we're going to want to have the chin coming around there, and then we're going to have a little beard down underneath as well. I'm sure this style of moustache and beard has a name, but I don't know it. If you do, put it in the comments box below. We'll have a little smile like that. And again, I have a really, really simple hairstyle. So he's got a really close cropped hairstyle coming all the way around and just following around that circle. And it shows it's just really, really easy to create characters like this. And maybe some little eyebrows. Give him a bit of a neck. And maybe a t-shirt. Like that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. And just to show you how we can animate the face and use these very, very simple lines to make Addy just look different, which is what you'd want to do if you were illustrating a book or something. You want different expressions and emotions and things. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down a little bit further like that. And we'll do those eyes like that. And I'm going to have more surprised eyes. And I'm going to bring the nose up a little bit, because when you smile, up goes your nose a little bit. So we got that kind of a bracket, and then a curve, and then a bracket again. And then we're going to want this moustache will be coming around like that. And that will be coming down there. And then we're going to want this beard down there. And we're going to have a big smile like that, and then we put in the hair much the same as we did before. It's just a squiggly line, but it kind of denotes this very close cropped hairstyle. And then we can have a neck like that, and I'm going to bring that up a bit higher like that, I think. So I think when you're smiling, you laughing, your shoulders tend to come up a bit. So you could even put some animation in there like that. Is that too much teeth? I don't know. So let's maybe do something like that. There we go. And there's two faces of Addy. Really simple. As I say, go to shoorayner.com/courses. It's completely free. You'll find all the other draw along faces there and this guide to help you create characters all of your own. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.